Eating cheese every day can have various effects on your body, both positive and negative, depending on factors such as the type and amount of cheese consumed, individual health conditions, and overall dietary habits. Here are some general effects. Nutrient intake. Cheese is a good source of essential nutrients like calcium, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Consuming cheese daily can help meet your daily nutritional requirements. Bone health. Calcium in cheese is vital for bone health. It helps in bone development, strength, and preventing osteoporosis. Regular consumption may contribute to stronger bones and teeth. Protein and satiety. Cheese is a protein-rich food, which can help you feel fuller for longer and may aid in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. Digestive health. Some individuals may experience digestive issues like bloating, gas, or discomfort due to lactose intolerance, a condition where the body has difficulty digesting lactose, a sugar found in dairy products like cheese. Cholesterol levels. Cheese is high in saturated fat and cholesterol, which if consumed in excess, can potentially raise blood cholesterol levels. This can contribute to heart disease and other cardiovascular issues. Weight management. Due to its calorie density and fat content, excessive consumption of cheese may contribute to weight gain if not balanced within your daily caloric needs. Skin health. Some people may experience an improvement in skin health due to the presence of vitamins and minerals in cheese, while others may experience acne or skin issues due to the fat content. Salt intake. Cheese can be high in sodium, which, when consumed in excess, may contribute to high blood pressure and other related health concerns. Dental health. The calcium and phosphorus in cheese can help protect tooth enamel and support dental health, but the high fat content may also contribute to dental issues if consumed in excess. Digestion and gut health. Cheese contains probiotics in some types like yogurt or certain aged cheeses, which can promote a healthy gut microbiome and aid in digestion. However, for individuals sensitive to dairy, it can cause digestive discomfort, allergies, and sensitivities. Some individuals may be allergic to specific proteins found in cheese, like casein or whey, causing allergic reactions such as hives, digestive issues, or respiratory problems. Inflammation. High fat and processed cheeses may contribute to inflammation in the body, which can be linked to various chronic health conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and more. Cancer risk. Some studies suggest that excessive consumption of dairy products, including cheese, may be associated with a higher risk of certain cancers, although more research is needed to establish a clear link. Lactose intolerance. Lactose-intolerant individuals lack the enzyme lactase needed to digest lactose. Eating cheese daily can be challenging for them due to its lactose content, potentially leading to gastrointestinal discomfort. Mood and brain health. Cheese contains amino acids, including tryptophan, which is a precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter that affects mood. However, the high fat content might affect brain function if consumed in excess. Metabolism. The protein content in cheese can support metabolism, muscle building, and tissue repair. However, the high calorie and fat content can be a concern for those trying to manage their weight. Impact on blood sugar levels. The protein and fat in cheese can slow down the absorption of sugar from other foods, potentially helping to stabilize blood sugar levels.